with Bert, and we're trying to get him off his vegan diet onto some metal. So we've got this bit here, which is the number 4. It's a real technical bit, but it is a chamfer mill. It's 4 flutes, and we're going to give it a bash because that's what it's all about. So disclaimer here, I've got no idea what I'm doing, and I'm not too sure if I've even got the chamfer toolpath set correct, but why wuss out and try it in wood? We're going to go for gold. So I've got the program loaded, so we'll hit play, and the first thing it'll do is ask me to change the tool out, so we'll do that. So we've got the compressed air blowing on the bit, we've got his meat eating appetite in, and we're going to go for gold. So I'll just bring it in here. Oh, I know. Oh, focus. That's freaking awesome. So the finish on the bottom is not perfect, but bloody good. But that chamfer has cleaned up that edge just absolutely brilliantly. I'm loving that.